Hello ladies and welcome back to Still Looking Good 58. I am Faith, and if you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today I am going to, as you probably already figured out, do a sort of outre wigs on parade. And basically what that means is I want you guys to see the 5 main collections that Outre has all in one spot so that you can see what the cap construction looks like, so that you can see what the actual wigs look like, and also get an idea of what the maintenance might be on the different types of wigs. So we're going to start with the Wig Pop wig, then we're going to go to the daily wig. We're going to cover the lace front wig, and there are several different lines under lace front. We're going to look at the melted hairline, and we're going to look at the perfect hairline. Now, I'm not going to show you the 360 hairline because you guys have already seen the 360 wigs. And basically what they are is it's 360 lace all around, and they're human hair blends. So they're almost just like the Outre perfect hairline, except they've got that 360 lace and the human hair blend. I'm also not going to get into the everywhere wigs because the everywhere wigs, in my opinion, are basically like the daily wig. They're just lace parts. And the difference is that the lace part on the everywhere wig is HD, where the lace part on the daily wig is not. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's talk about it a little bit more on the other side. First up is Wig Pop. The Wig Pop wig, as you'll be able to see here, has no lace at all. It has a comb on each side. It has a comb in the back and adjustable straps. This is Gabby, and this is an example of a Wig Pop wig. Again, this one doesn't need any lace. And this is Emma. And of course, Emma doesn't need any lace either because she's a full cap wig. I really like Emma. I thought she was pretty. Now we're moving on to the daily wig. This is an example of a daily wig. Not what I'm wearing, but what I'm about to show you. It has a lace part, but it has no lace in the front. It has a comb on each side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and sometimes it comes with an elastic band. This is Goldie. She's an example of a daily wig. See, she has a part, but no lace in the front. I thought she was cute too. The second example of a daily wig I have is Dixie. And again, Dixie has a part, but she has no lace in the front. And I actually dark rooted Dixie. But again, these are really simple wigs for people who don't want a lot of lace. Now we're going to move to the lace front wigs. The lace front wigs I really liked too because I like the different color varieties. The lace front wig gives you a lace part and it gives you lace in the front, but you can't really pluck the lace in the front. So that's the downside of that one. Again, you get the comb on each side. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps, but you don't get an elastic band. Now this is Layla. I was crazy about Layla. I thought Layla was a beautiful, beautiful lace front wig. Nice color, nice texture. Yeah, I was really crazy about Layla and actually threw Davita away in one of my videos. I think it was this one actually. So here is Davita. Again, she's a lace front. She's got a lace part and she's got lace in the front. But again, there's really not a lot of room for plucking these particular wigs. I mean, you can try it, but there's not a lot of room to pluck these particular wigs. Yeah, but they're still really pretty. I also wanted to show you Noria because she's one of the newer lace front wigs and she's called Deluxe. I think it's because you can pluck her a little bit in the front, just a little bit. Now we move on to the melted hairline. This is probably my favorite line that Outre offers. And I'm holding up the card for Elora. This wig has a lace front and a lace part, and you can pluck it. It's usually pre-plucked. And of course, it has the same basic construction as the others, but this one also comes with an elastic band. Now this is me in Elora in the brown sugar color. Again, I love the melted hairline wigs because I love the texture. I love the colors they offer. I don't mind plucking it if I actually have to pluck it. So yeah, that's one thing about the melted hairline. And this is Divine. Divine is also a melted hairline. Again, it's supposed to be pre-plucked, but sometimes you do have to pluck them. But I think they're just beautiful, beautiful wigs, these melted hairline wigs. So now let's move on to the perfect hairline. And you'll notice right away the difference between the perfect hairline and of course the melted is that it has 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 lace in the front. That means you can part it anywhere. And of course, it still has the same basic construction that the others have, and it has an elastic band. Now, Geneva is an example of the perfect hairline, and you can just part it wherever you want. And even though these are more expensive, they are more flexible in terms of what you can do with them. All right, ladies, so those were the 5 collections. I hope you enjoyed that. I am actually wearing a melted hairline, and this is in the style Audrina. She's been around for a long time. As I mentioned in my video, I really do love the melted hairlines, I think, more than I do the other lines. I don't know, I just love them. I love them because they're pre-plucked most of the time, or you can at least pluck them yourself, and there's a lace part. I don't necessarily have to have a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6 all the time, you know, all the space where you can part it wherever you like, because I'm usually a left side girl for the most part. So that's the reason why I showed you these, is because I wanted you guys to see the different types of wigs that are available, because some of them, as I also mentioned, are in different price ranges. They've got different textures in some cases. Some of them are shinier than others. Some of them are yackier than others. And then within lines, there are yacky and silky. So there's a lot of variety there. But with the price of the wigs going up, as you guys are already familiar with, I kind of wanted to put this together so that you've got the less expensive ones all the way up to the more expensive ones. And this video all in one place will give you an idea of what's available and what you might want to purchase yourself. Now, granted, Outre is not the only brand out there that has a bunch of different lines, and maybe later on I will do like Sensational's different lines, or maybe I will do Shake and Go's different lines, because you know Free Trust Equal is under Shake and Go. So maybe I'll do that. But right now, since Outre seems to be on the top of the heap, I kind of wanted to go through the different Outre wigs that are most popular so that you guys can get an idea of what's there, what they look like inside and out, and again, the maintenance. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see other wigs, other reviews like this in the future, just put information down in the comments. If you like this video and you want to see others like it, you can check these out up here. Thank you so much for joining me again, and all the support that you guys have given me over the years. And as I always say, if you're going to show love to anyone today, please show it to the creator. I'm still looking good, and of course, so are you. See you next time.